Marhaba, اسمي Kaylee, and we're going to be going over our Arabic personal pronouns. So we're going to just start with simple I, as in me, and how you would say it is أنا. So you have alif, na, a, أنا. And then when you look over here, we have 5 versions of you. So we have the singular version if there's just somebody in front of you and you're talking to them. We have the male and female versions for those. And then we also have 3 plural versions with 2 persons, male and female. So we'll just go down the line with that. So if you're just talking to a male, it'd be anta, na, ta, anta. And then if you're talking to a female, it'd be anti. So alif, na, ta, with that little dash would be e. So anti. And then for the plural versions, we have 2 persons, male and female. So if you're talking to 2 persons, it'd be antuma. So antuma, alif, na, ta, ma, a, antuma. And if you're talking to just a group of males, it would be antum. So alif, na, ta, ma. We have that little squiggle on top, so it'd be antum. And then if you're talking to just a group of females, it'd be atun. So it'd be alif, na, ta, na. We have that little squiggle on the top again, so it'd be u. And then that ending right there, so atun. If you had a group of male and female, then this is the version that you would be using. So antum for both male and female. And then I'm going to go back over here just to get these out of the way. So if we're referencing we, it'd be nahnu. So we have na, ha, na. So we have nahnu, nahnu. If you're referencing he or she, there's just the one version for those. So for he, it'd be hua. So hua. And then we also have she, which is hia, hia. And I just made it a little thing on its own. Because when you're referencing objects, they are male or female when referencing them. So like if somebody's talking about their bed, so that would be a masculine version of that object, they would go hua. And if they're talking about like a banana, which is a female object, they would say hia. So that's why I put it on the side, because it's just the same as these versions, just remembering what objects are masculine and what objects are feminine. And then we also have they, which are 3 versions of they. They're all plural for they, but I just like putting the singular and plural just to help myself. So if you're talking to 2 persons, it'd be homa. So ha, ma, a, homa. Then we have the male. If you're just talking to they as a group of men, it'd be hum. So ha, hum. And then for females, it'd be hunna. So ha, na, hunna. And that's how you would reference a group of females. Again, if there's a mix between men and women, you would be using the masculine version of it, so it would be hum. So if you had a mix, it would be hum. And that is the lesson on Arabic pronouns.